This is how to upload a model to the secured portal. First, from the home page, you can select the Manage Models tab. From here, click Upload Model. You will need a .glb file in order to upload it. If you do not have one, and have a model in a different file format, you can check out this file convert. Or you could also check out our other tutorial on how to convert files to .glb. If you do have a .glb file, you can click the Select File button. From here, find your model and select it. Double check that this selected name matches up with the name of your file. If it does, you can click Upload. It is now uploaded and you can now access it through your model list. Please note it will take a couple seconds for various parts of it to be processed, but once they do get processed, you can just refresh the page to access them. For example, the thumbnail will take a few seconds to be generated, but if I now reload my page, it will be accessible. You can then click on the model to view it and view any existing information related to it.